Well, here's the neck knife. From the tip to the rear of the handle is 20 centimetres. From the tip of the blade to the front guard here is 8 centimetres. And from the front guard to the rear of the handle is 12 centimetres. From the cutting edge to the spine is 3 centimetres. Knivegg. A nice deep finger guard there, nice and secure with brass pins. 4mm thick, tapers down to a very fine point. There's a high carbon steel. A solid little knife this. Has been absolutely phenomenal so far with the old feather sticking and any of my small cutting tasks and preparing food like doing the veg, peeling potatoes, stuff like that for the stew. Really pleased at how it's done. The steel's actually stood up really good and it takes a real fine edge. Leather sheath that he's made for me, it's 4mm thick. He's made it in such a way that we've got a paracord just through the loop here, heavy duty stitched, and asked him if he could make it in a way, if I change my mind in the future, if he could put a belt loop from this point to here, maybe a 1.5 inch, 2 inch belt loop. I could leave it flat at the back so I could use it as stropping, just like so. Just put a bit of stropping paste on here and that'd give me a nice surface for stropping the blade, just to touch up every now and again when we were out in the field. Nice brass stud, button fastener here. Knife just fits in like this, all the way in. Nice and secure. Undo it like this and pull out. And you can get the sheath made to whatever standard or thickness that you want, and any bolt-on goodies onto it, such as a front pouch or a fire steel holder. It's an ideal knife this for guys that are maybe doing the forestry work, who are cutting bags open all day, getting ball roots out, cutting string, baling twine, stuff like this. And the point is really acute for digging in and making like your wee divots for your bore drills and stuff like that. Very easy to do that, and it's actually quite surprisingly strong. To show how good a fit in the hand it is, it's a full size hand grip is required, and you can see it's a bit larger than your normal neck knives, which are normally 3 fingers like so, whereas this you've got a full handed grip. I really like that about this, because I find most of my neck knives are too small, and this is where this has the advantage, that it gives you a good proper secure grip. Yeah. And that finger guard just secures it nice and tight in the hand. So I'll show you how it gets on then, doing the fire steel, the 90-degree spine. Just get a bit of pot and wheel here for you. So for your firecraft skills, getting a fire going, does absolutely excellent that way. So it's another wee job that this workhorse knife can do for you if you're looking for that. And I'll just show you doing a bit of scraping in the back. Yeah, how good it is producing the curls. Lovely sharp spine. Just is really fine shavings, as you can see. So it's another good wee job that knife can do. Really good with the feather sticks as well. So it produces them really fast. But there you go, does that no problem. Looking for a workhorse of a knife, I could recommend this. So it's available at RJ Bushcraft, and you can do a variety of different types of handle woods for you, whatever you want, and leather sheaths. Okay then, thanks again for coming along to the channel. I appreciate you popping in and seeing the work that we're doing. Put some comments in if you like. Please like, share and subscribe, and I'll catch you all in the next video. Thanks.